Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play Farming Simulator 22 in Laptop Easy Method. Install the game, update graphics drivers, set display to 16:9, choose medium presets and enable resolution scaling. Adjust draw distance, limit FPS to 60, close background apps, and test a short session to confirm smooth play. If performance remains poor, lower shadows, disable VSync, and use an SSD or high-performance power profile. Start by mapping essential keys for steering, lights, and implements so you feel confident from the first minute. Try a gamepad for smoother vehicle control and easier camera movement when cutting fields or hauling trailers. Calibrate steering sensitivity and invert axes if needed, and save your layout. Test controls in a small field run to confirm braking and implement functions work reliably, and tweak sensitivity until driving feels natural and consistent. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy long play sessions. It pairs surprisingly well with farming marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Balance visuals and performance by lowering shadows, tree detail, and crowd distance while keeping textures readable for a pleasant view. Use dynamic resolution scaling or limit FPS to 60 to keep gameplay smooth during heavy scenes like harvest. Close web browsers, renderers, and sync apps to free CPU and RAM, and enable high-performance power profile so the laptop prioritizes the game. Run a short playtest and iterate settings until performance is steady.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.